BANBAO Company Limited was established in 2003, and this factory is actually a certified ISO 9001 and also 14001. And their products comply with the EN71 and ASTM F963 standards as well. That means all their products actually comply with the EU and the US standards. Now they have two factories, and there's a total of 120,000 square meters. They have the Haojiang factory, which is about 66,666 square meters. That's a lot of sixes. And they have fully automated production workshop there. Now, I'd like to mention as well that it is a Sino-Foreign joint venture high-tech enterprise that specializes in the research and development, production, sales, and service of educational toys, infant toys, and precision molds. They have 80 injection molding machines, 70 manipulators, and then the workshops are equipped with 3D detectors, color light boxes, calipers, stop gauges, torque inspection, and all these. Let me get back with this conveyor. So this conveyor sorts each brick based on the end of the conveyor line where they will be sorted. And then they also have, I want to show you this one. Can you show this one? So on this part, maybe it's not active right now. So this actually sorts which ones are not meeting the good quality. It will be discarded, will be put in another bag, and the ones that are good will actually drop here. And then, if you follow me, it goes to the next part as well. So there's another color. There's another part here. It's not been set yet. So now we are here at the printing facility, and as you can see on my side here are one of their pad printing machines over here. It's one of the many that they have, all right? So as you can see, each part is actually painted. Everything is automated. That's a pad printing machine. Now I want you to follow me because I want to show you something more special. All right, that's a special machine actually. This one is actually one of their UV spraying or UV painting machines. And so every single piece looks exactly the same. That's the advantage of machinery, right? So aside from that, I want to show you here, it's quite similar as well. All right, they have this one. Okay, this is also one of the painting machines. As you can see, it uses UV light facility. This is their lab, and this is where they perform several tests like drop test, torsion meter, tension meter, shop point tester, shop edge center, small parts measuring cup, plastic bag thickness, caliper, outbox edge, etc. All these tests will be run, okay, even before they actually go to production. Within this facility, they have different departments as well. Here, what I can see here is like for toddlers, for consumer level toddlers. And on the other end, if you go over there, it's more about the programming. So they have their own different purposes. And this facility alone houses about 50 people of designers, engineers.